Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to copy all of your WordPress site files on Bluehost to your computer. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to the websites page. On this page, you will see the available websites on your hosting plan. And let's say that I want to copy this WordPress website files, or this is an empty WordPress. Let's open the second one. So this is a WordPress website. So to copy this WordPress file, to copy this WordPress website file to my computer, simply click on Manage, and then go to the Files and Access tab, and next to File Manager, click on this Manage button. A new page open up, sending you to the exact landing you on the correct folder of your website on your shared hosting plan. Now select the first folder or file on the list and scroll down to the bottom and do the same thing with the latest the latest file or folder on this list. But before this, keep pressing the shift button on your keyboard to select all the files in this list. This way you selected all your website files. Now click on any file on here, click on any of this selected area using the right button of your mouse. You will see this menu. Now let's compress all of those files into a zip file like that. So click on compress files. As you see, they are now creating a single, they are now compressing all my website files into a compressed file called cgi.bin. This compressed file takes the name of the first selected folder or file. This is my compressed file, or this is the compressed file that contains all my WordPress site files. Now let's download it to my computer. So select it like that and click on download from here, or click again on the right, click on it on the right button and select the download from this list. It's the same thing. As you see, my WordPress or my compressed file started downloading to my computer. Now let's view this downloaded file. As you see, this is it. You can let's decompress it to see its content. Double click it like that, and those are all of my website files copied to my computer. If you're looking for a complete backup of your website, you're still missing an important file, which is the database, because those are files and folders that contain your themes file, plugins, all about files. But the content, like how many users your WordPress website have, are registered on the database. So to copy a full, or to copy literally all of your website's database. Let's go back to the Bluehost page. Here, go back to the overview page. Scroll down to phpMyAdmin, click on it. If you will land on this page, let's see, this is the page we are looking for. If for whatever reason Bluehost moved or changed its interface and you don't find the phpMyAdmin button here, you can simply go to the hosting page and click on this cPanel button. This is how to log into your cPanel on Bluehost. Now scroll down to databases and click on phpMyAdmin, and you will land on the same page. Now that we are inside phpMyAdmin, here you will see the available databases on your account. Unfortunately, you can't, or most of the time, you can't know which database is responsible of the website you've just copied to your keyboard. How to fix this? It's simple. Go back to the websites page, and next to the same WordPress website, click on Manage, and then go to backups, yes. And here you will see database backup. Click on Access Backups. Click on this select database, and you will see the available databases. And this current website, this website called Team Blog, this is it. The database where my website stores its information is this one called ends with WPLEO, because it has this tag of which is current website. Now let's go back to the phpMyAdmin page, and as you see here, the second database is called WPLEO. Click on it. Now we are inside my WordPress website database, and to export this database, click on Export. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now we are inside my WordPress website database, and to export this database, click on Export, and then click on this Export button. As you see, a single file with this SQL extension is downloaded to my computer. Let's locate it. This is it. And this is my single database. Now this file or this database with this folder are literally all of my website files copied to my computer. And this is how to copy all of your WordPress website files on Bluehost. And this is how to copy all of your WordPress site files on Bluehost to your computer. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.